Good afternoon. It's April 10th, 3:30, 38 degrees. That termination dust I thought was going to come was here. And now walking down that old trail that me and Rio used to walk in. This is a place I want to see if they can make a dog park. And little patches of snow, but it's all soft. It'll be gone no time. Little turds, loose turds. And I don't know if you could see all the dead trees that were blown down this year. Blown down. Anyway, this is like the fourth year where we've had high winds in the beginning of winter. And it's crazy. I mean, some of them were 90, over 100 miles. I think 105 we got this year. And it was just crazy. And it's been like that for the last 4 years. And it's never been like that before. So, something's changing. Hopefully it's a 4-year cycle and we won't get another one like that. But if we do, we do. All these trees didn't used to be here. There's more. These are all dead snags, so. Anyway, this used to be our little corner for sure, where this big burl is on this tree. Look at the size of that thing. I have a picture with Rio when he was a puppy sitting up there. She's kind of rotten now. More dead trees. Just crazy how many trees have got blown over. Or blowed, however you want to say it. But you can see these guys just love it. Wiley, get over here. She hasn't been down here very much, so she likes to just run around and explore. It's not very wide, but it's pretty long. It goes all the way to the